The passing of Bill of Lading Act 2025 in both the Houses of Parliament will forever be remembered as a watershed day, making beginning of modern, robust and digitally forward legal framework for maritime trade in our industry. This Bill of Lading replaces the outdated colonial era law dating back to 1856, a law that had long outlived its relevance. In the time when global trade is driven by speed, digitization, integration, and existing law had become increasingly disconnected from the current industry trends and operational realities. The Bill of Lading 2025 is more than just a legal reform. It's a way looking forward to comprehensive framework that brings clarity, legal certainty, and standardization to all stakeholders involved in international trade, from shippers, carriers, consignees, freight forwarders, and 3 and 4PL providers to NVCCs, port authorities, software developers, and customs agencies. One of its most progressive features is recognition of e-bill of lading, rather electronic bill of lading, as legally valid document. This singular move propels India into a global digital trade arena and brings us in line with international best practices, including UNICTRAL model law on electronic transferable records, ICC digital standards, and BIMCO's push for e-bill adoption. The bill clearly defines the rights, obligations, and liabilities of all parties involved. It addresses the critical issues of title transfer, legal enforceability, and smooth documentation, all of which are essential for seamless cross-border movement of goods. Looking ahead, we anticipate supplementary rules, digital integration of port and customs systems, and emerging technologies like blockchain to further support these transformations. The benefits are clear: faster and smoother documentation flow, lower transaction costs, increased compliance, legal predictability, and ultimately more efficient logistics and supply chain operations. For India's EXIM sector, this means standardization, clarity in documentation, reducing delays, and drastic reduction in litigation due to ambiguous interpretations. But true success of this legislation will depend on collective actions. We must now focus on awareness, capacity building, and adoption. SICCI, through its seminars, webinars, workshops, and training, will ensure that industry professionals across sectors and geographies understand and implement the new provisions effectively.